Hello, thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. So on today's video I'm going to clean my kitchen, then later I'll show you how I preserve my tomatoes. So guys, please remember to subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment down below. Don't just watch and leave without subscribing. It's free. Subscribe to support your girl. So hope after watching this video you'll be motivated to clean your kitchen. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you up to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. I try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you up to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
Baby, it's whatever. All this ever about you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your body got disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. Ain't no man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no man. brushing the weight of you off my shoulder. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing the weight of you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need no man. For so long, I was living my life, oh so wrong, always numb in my mind, battled on, building scars from.
Kitchen is clean, so let's prepare our tomato paste. First, I'll clean the tomatoes. Then I'll remove the eye. Is it called the eye? I don't know. Comment down below. It's optional to remove it.
I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never broke me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself, go on, won't go down. I see me for me.
After slicing your tomatoes, blend until smooth. Make sure it's smooth. Then transfer to a pot or a sufuria.
On the dark that I was coming from, it never broke me down to my knees, where it wanted me.
On a medium heat, let your tomato boil. Keep stirring. Let it boil until the water reduces completely. Yes, and my tomato paste is ready. See how thick it is? I like it. Preserve your tomato on a nice container and keep it in the fridge. So it's so easy to prepare tomato paste. There are two methods of preparing tomato paste that I know. This is the first method, so stay tuned for the second method. Until next time, bye.